Sade, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. And today's video is all about this controversy palette by Dawson and Jeffree Star. So this is me opening up the pack. I love the package. It was amazing. As you can see, it's just like make you want to go into a awesome makeup loving trance. So right now I'm just showing you the actual box, and it's like very sturdy. Like this is a great collective item, I think. And you even have little it's just never I've never seen something like this before. So it was definitely worth every penny that I paid, because I did pay for this with my own money. And I'm just loving this color story. It's very different and unique because I never actually had any palette like this before. So I was really interested in getting this palette. Of course, he has a whole collection, and I'm sure I heard about it because I mean, like, it broke the internet. Okay. So it was just something I had to get. I mean, I waited almost 2 hours to get the palette, and I was happy that it was even still available. So I wanted to create this look, and let's get into this amazing palette and have some fun. Yeah, before we get to the look, I was just so excited. So I'm just showing you the different names. I just thought it was so awesome. And like, I fell in love with the palette before it even was existing. It was just amazing how the whole segment together, that was genius, I will say. But now we're playing with some colors. And the first color we're playing with is Flaming Hot. I mean, that is beautiful. Now, what I will say, when I got into this color, I wanted to try something with red because I've never really put red in my crease before. But while I was trying this on, for some reason it was coming up fuchsia to me. So on camera, I could see that yes, it's red, and of course in the pan it's red. But don't be alarmed when you put this on your lid, your crease, or what have you, that it might look fuchsia, but it really will show up red in certain lightings. It's just some reason under my soft lights and umbrella lights, it just was a different color. But then I went in my bathroom and it actually was the red. But I am just putting that on with my Morphe brush, my M200, and I'm pretty much just blending that in my crease. I am packing it on for the most on the outer corner of the eye, going into the crease but lightly stroking back and forth, because I am just trying to pretty much pile that on. I actually went into the pan a few times to really intensify that color, but with reds and blacks, you want to be careful. So I wanted to do it like kind of lightly because I didn't want to make a mess at first. So I wanted to just start off slowly and then gradually get into the look as you're seeing now. And to just blend out any harsh lines, I went into the pigment. I love that. It's like a play on the word pigment. But yes, I went into that more of a pink tone color to just clean up any harsh lines without really taking from the red. Like I said before, I did go into this red a few times. You're really just seeing me do it maybe a couple times on camera. I just didn't want to make this video so long. But I just want to make sure you knew that, because I did have to go in a few times only because it was my personal choice. So I wouldn't mess up the eye look. But I am now going into Not a Fact. And this is more of a purple tone. And I'm really putting that, or should I say placing that, on the outer corner of my lid just to add some definition with my M209 brush for Morphe brushes. And I'm pretty much just, like I said, packing on the outer corner. As you can see, it's giving me some definition back into that eye. And yes, I really love how these pigments blend. Yes, it is some kickback, I will say, specifically on the pan. I did experience some too with another color that I will talk about when it comes up on screen on my face, but it wasn't too bad. I will say with kickback, it was just a lot of pigment. Like, you really don't want to press down completely on these pigments, or you will experience a lot of kickback. So just lightly strokes. And right now I'm just taking away some of that purple and red with a brush that is just pretty much blending everything together. And that is my Morphe E22 brush. Everything will be in the description box too. I am also wanting to just cut, just like a semi-cut crease, going from my inner corner to partially the middle. And you'll see me doing that with my concealer. Again, everything will be in the description box. But it's just a semi-cut crease, not really totally defined. I just wanted to play with some other lighter shades that are in the palette. So, yeah. Alright, so the next shade I am putting on is the pigment. And I'm just going to apply the pigment on my semi-cut crease area just to set it in place. I really love this pigment. It's really, really, really pretty. And these pigments in general really, really are nice. Like I said, just really light hand and you're good to go. So I'm just applying that shade with my M167 brush. And yeah, like I said, I actually think this palette is worth your money. Definitely invest in if you really, really want to have some fun with some awesome pigments. And right now I'm just showing you that I'm going into my rides here. And this is the shade that actually had some kickback that was on my face. So I would recommend you have a makeup wipe ready in case you choose to use that pigment, or if you have any case of pigments having some kickback on your face, or if you do choose to put your foundation on and all that, then definitely put some powder down underneath your eyes so it can catch it and you can just wipe it off with your brush. But yes, I'm using my e.l.f. crease brush just to really intensify that outer corner to get it the shade that I really wanted. I wanted a definition. I wanted to say something, make a great statement, if you will. But yes, all in all, this is a great palette to invest in. I think it's definitely worth the cost. It's a great investment. You get a color story that you probably don't have in your collection. You get to definitely support Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. It was just, I love the story, and I just love how sincere and awesome that it will, everything was and how it all came about. And even when, we all had to wait for almost 2 hours to get our palettes and stuff, how understanding they were and how they really were working at it. And hey, we broke the internet. Okay. But at least, some of us was able to get this shipment or the next shipment I actually heard about. So yeah, but right now you're just seeing me put Just a Theory in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just using my M167 and my M432, and I'm just going back and forth, just going from my inner corner of my eye to almost a little bit of where the middle of my mobile lid is. Yeah, I'm really hoping they do another like big stock so I can get the red liquid lipstick because that was beautiful. There was some other liquid lipsticks I was interested in too. Like I said, they were gone, so I'm like, oh, that sucks. But anywho, I'm sure they will. What you see me do now is put my gel liner pencil on. I have really interesting allergies, so sometimes my eyes are very sensitive to anything that's close to my eyes. But I just did type up my top waterline and then my wing, and I'm making sure I cut it. And now I'm adding some mascara in place so I can then put on my lashes. I just love a good lash, and these are my Ardell Whipsies, double up Whipsies lashes. And the same thing I did on my top, my mobile lid and crease, I am doing on my bottom lash line and waterline to complete the look. And yeah, I love all these colors. I love how it all came out. And my foundation, if you're interested in my foundation routine, click the card above and there should be a link in the description box. But I did it off camera. Right now you're just seeing me put on Diet Collab. I really thought like that was really cute. I love these names. But it's like a silver, really iridescent silver that I really love, and I thought would be perfect to open my eyes up even more with all those dark shadows I have on my crease and lower lash line. And you just saw me put on my Astrology Trends earrings. I love them. Astrology Trends have the best fashion pieces, earrings, and necklaces, as well as awesome t-shirts. You can use my code if you're interested in purchasing anything from them and get a percentage off. And as you can see, I'm a Cancer, period. And this Cancer, period shirt will be on their site soon. Definitely follow me on Instagram so I can update you when it does. But I get to show you a sneak preview. They gave me this shirt to show you this so you will be in tune when it does hit the site. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I love the palette. It is an A plus. Go check it out. And let me know in the comments if you already got the palette or you waiting for the possible next time they restock. Bye.